Hi guys, my name is Jessie Manuelyan. I'm 21 years old and I'm a nursing student.
G'day guys, my name's Kai. I'm 17, I'm from Bendigo. I'm here to compete for the Unplug and Plays competition where we got to travel 150 k's down Bendigo Creek. Got near early to set up.
I'm ready to go!
Yeah!
How exciting!
And we're about to go to the smoke ceremony.
I feel very privileged to come out here today and welcome you all here on Jara country. What we're trying to do, it's very important to make our rivers healthy for the future for our kids and our grandkids, because that's where our future lies. We give respect to our elders, past and present, and the younger generation merging. We give respect to our First Nations people. We give respect to our rivers, our streams, the soil, the air, our mountains, our hills, our cultural values.
Today I'll be starting on the crazy adventure of going from Bendigo Creek River to the Murray River with no technology for 5 days. I just sat through the smoke ceremony and it was absolutely beautiful. Very excited to embark this journey and see what else is ahead.
Down here at the water, about to head in. We've finally set up our kayaks. Jessie's just getting our wheels sorted out. We're gonna paddle along, see how far we get.
Time to hand over the phones, guys.
Alright, gonna miss it.
Ready? Oh, you're in! Yay!
And so it begins, just like that. We're off.
Literally just got in the water, guys, and I am kind of freaking out. Everything is happening right now.
Absolutely gorgeous out here.
So excited. Kind of need to pee as well now, but that's so fine. Finished a bit of the kayaking, but this is the rest. So we're gonna have a look and see where we need to go.
All right, so what I can tell, we're gonna have to walk through a large portion of the area just to get through a lot of this thick shrubbery over here. So I'm just heading back to tell Jessie.
Yeah.
We should be able to walk through. So let's aim to get around here. Golden Square.
Kai is generously carrying my kayak because the wheels are just going a bit crazy. I'm carrying his like a shopping bag.
Oh no.
Kayak broken again.
I'm sick of this.
Otherwise we're doing fine. This is honestly the only delay.
Okay, we've just passed Golden Square by the looks of all the signs around us. How you feeling, Jessie?
I feel alright. I'm fine. Just my kayak keeps on falling apart, but
Yeah, it's causing a bit of issues with the wheel back. But we're just pushing through, heading up, having a look at the creek around us, if you can even call it that. The quality of level of it is absolutely awful.
Love me out.
This is just roll.
So
I just can't
good.
even speak. I'm enjoying it so much. Walking past my school now. The further we get into town, the more debris kind of left around in the area. Yeah, you can park your kayak there if you want. We've just reached this really dark area here.
I know. Kind of scary down here.
This is eerie. I've never been down here. The water down here is absolutely putrid. Smell right now coming out into Roslyn Life is just so disgusting.
Bendigo. Bendigo. There we are.
Smells absolutely disgusting, but this is the clearest the water has been the entire way.
Let's do our water test. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, so cool. Watch out.
Just onto the second map we're seeing.
What? Come from here.
All the way there.
What a trek.
So we're just doing the water quality testing over here.
Yeah, 7.
Cool. Let's do our second water test.
Well done.
There's so much rubbish in there. It's so disgusting. It doesn't smell down here, but just you can tell the water quality is absolutely shocking. I can't even imagine like standing in it right now, but you can just see it's just changed so quickly.
Walking through here, you can see the quality just absolutely dropped off the scale. You can see a lot of the rubbish that washes out from the town comes through here. Look at this. Should take this the rest of the way, honestly. Wow. This is why we're here, and this is why we're walking. There's a full e-scooter here.
Oh, that gets really deep here. I'm wet. I'm wet. I'm dripping wet. I'm actually drowning.
Oh, holy cow. Doing some water testing, is that what I'm seeing? We've been doing a lot of that up and down the stream.
So Ryla's gonna get some water. Ew, it stinks.
It does stink. And how does the creek look, guys?
Not
Dirty. And what makes it dirty?
well, because stuff has metal on it and yucky things.
Yeah, 100%. Lots of rubbish. And like we are just standing here and we are pulling up so much rubbish already.
Look at that.
Oh, what is that?
It's a cat. Would you guys swim in it?
No!
They're so cute. Welcome to me setting up my tent. I'm actually so proud of myself so far. Like, look at this like camper girl. Like seriously, like the city girl, she's a camper girl.
The highlight of today was definitely the smoking ceremony. That was such an awesome way to start. Feeling like we were stepping into this challenge and leaving everything behind us.
Day 2, it is so unbelievably cold. I think I'm gonna like freeze to death at this point.
I look like an egg. That was like the most miserable sleep I reckon I've had in a while. I legit woke up, it would have been like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, and I just didn't know where I was. And I like went to grab my phone to see. And it was just like sinking feeling of realizing and not being able to find the zip in the tent. It was genuinely like I had to take some big breaths there. I reckon I got out of my tent about 5 times, and Jessie slept well by the sounds of things. She was snoring away.
Wow, this looks amazing.
I'm literally like, my next thing is going on MasterChef because like, look at this porridge, people. Mountain mama, take me home.
Oh my god.
Country road.
To the place I belong. I feel like Jessie is starting to miss her phone. I'm seeing a lot more selfies.
West Virginia.
I'm seeing a lot more selfies and
Mountain
photos.
mama.
It's like she needs to be taking photos.
Take me home. I need to be taking photos. Are you
Yeah.
serious? Like,
Oh.
what is like life is photos.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Kai.
Oh my god. Right there. Just sitting in there. What?
Oh, they're so cute. Hi.
Hey guys.
So these kids are from St Killian's Primary School in Bendigo.
Yeah, awesome.
Wow.
School is right on the creek, and they'd like to help teach you how to plant some plants.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, I'd love that.
Yeah.
That'd be awesome.
The purpose of this planting that we're about to do now is to hold this eroding bank together, because without any roots, those big flows of water are washing out from Bendigo and just taking the banks with them. So we want more vegetation on this bank.
Where do we put the rubbish?
We're just planting these more prickly base.
I didn't even
plants here. We're going to protect the riverbank from falling in due to erosion. But it also provides a bit of a safe spot as well for those smaller animals, like our birds, and smaller habitats to hide in.
I'm gonna be the corner one.
Awesome.
My name being Kai, popular influencer named Kai Sinat. All they were talking about was, are you Kai Sinat? Do you play Fortnite? Do you play Minecraft? All online related activities, which I thought was really funny.
So we just planted some plants with the year 6s, and look at all our little plants. Excited for some more kayaking now. As we just got back in the water.
Oh my god, I just slipped.
Are you okay? You know what? This is very beautiful. I know the water's a bit muggy, but like, not that bad. Like, it's very peaceful.
Oh my god, how are we getting through this?
I think, like, lie back down. Okay, lying down. Oh! Kai, you gotta lie down.
It is so much more pretty and open here. Although the feeling of mud in my shoes is not the best feeling. It's a lot more open, and I'm eating those words as we come across another huge blockage. Oh my goodness gracious. Thank you. Hey, you on there? Pull. Yep. Pull.
This sucks. Oh my god. What of something hilarious? Kayaking.
Alright. I'm leaving. This is when we're going into hell. Do we have another blockage? Ow, I'm just getting smacked in the face. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get underneath that. You're not gonna be able to lift that up.
Lift up the tree.
Yeah, I gotta get down there. So because Jessie's half my height, she can fit under a lot more logs better than I can. So I'm pulling my kayak around and meeting her on the other side. Gosh, this is heavy. Oh, I just slipped in. Oh my god, I went to... This is the clearest patch we've gone in. Just the blockages. We dragged our kayak like a good kilometre.
Yuck. They're ugly little creatures. How big is that one? Everywhere I walk and see, there's just another spider. I think I just got bit by a spider, honestly. I'm gonna cry. Yeah, I'll do it. Wait, I'll give it. I didn't know I was gonna become a professional kayak carrier. There was a spider. How are you feeling?
Oh, this is the hardest part, I reckon, by far. This has been so hard. Pulling and paddling by far has been so rubbish. We're just really racing the sun, what's left of the light, to get us to the camp. Hopefully set up camp soon. We just gotta find a nice spot.
I honestly really don't want to get out of my tent. Just waking up. I'm in so much pain. But I gotta say, I did sleep like a baby last night because I think I was just so exhausted.
Morning.
I'm kind of missing my phone. I just kind of miss my friends and my family now. I'm just like, oh, I want to see them. It's been great so far. It's been a lot of fun. I knew this was going to be a challenge, and I'm happy. Kai's complaining that it's cold. It is cold, so I will actually be staying in here all day. I'm dead inside. What are you dreading for today?
More logs and trees. We're sitting out here and looking, and there are a lot around.
Yeah,
so
it's gonna be a really, really tough day.
It's gonna be a tough day.
I'm probably gonna start crying at the end of today. I think I'm really missing my family and friends, so it's gonna be.
Yeah, that homesickness is kind of setting in for both of us.
It's gonna be a hard day today. And I'm crying, but I'm not. It's gonna be fine. It'll be fine.
I know that we possibly have a challenge at the end of the day.
So that's exciting.
Upcoming, so that is exciting.
Yeah.
Hopefully that'll be a break.
Oh my god, Yeah, let's go.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm just freezing. Let's go. Oh, that is horrendous.
Great start for today. Kai's fallen off already.
I'm soaking wet.
Oh my god, today is gonna be a great day. Today is. Can you? Oh my god. And I'm already like, why are we continuing on? Yay! Oh my god. Oh my god. Awesome!
Can't go under it. Can't go over it.
You don't have to go through it. Okay, we've got water. Fit check.
Fit check time.
Hey guys, so my name's Jessie and today I'll be doing my fit check. So underneath I've got my Gymshark leggings.
Blue shirt, Catchment. It's got about a ton of mud on it.
On top I've got my Mac pack, is 3/4 zip.
Got my feeding tube, my camel pack.
And then I've got my, what are these called again?
Waders.
Waders, which are soaking wet.
Got my GoPro. I got my soiled wet pants underneath these, and then I got my waders as well for in the water.
Then I've got my beanie, such a sleigh. And then I've got a pink, thermal underneath. Heading on the road again. Hi,
I'm
and
Kai.
Jessie.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Jessie, nice to meet you.
I saw you both on the news last night.
Oh, awesome.
Are we good?
Yeah. Oh, brilliant. It's on Judge Our Own Country. So, as part of caring for countries, this is one of the sites chosen for cultural burn, low temperature, restoring it back to its natural state as much as we can.
How often do you do these burns?
So these are done annually. So basically the idea is a lot of the GenDAC we program is to come back annually and keep treating those areas. In some areas we might treat, and if we don't find that we get enough treatment on that day, we might come back a couple of weeks later and reignite those areas again. But yeah, definitely it's got to be an ongoing process to get us back in the landscape.
Yeah.
But to get Jara back there as well and learning, but then also fire is really important as well. So putting fire back into here on a regular basis changes that regime of how fire is managed and how it has been managed for the last sort of 100 years. And for our traditional owners, putting that back in the landscape, they learn culturally, socially, bringing people back together and having a good relaxing day as well.
G'day, how's it going? What's your name?
My name's Peter.
Nice to meet you, Peter. I'm
Nice
Kai.
to meet you. I'm Jessie.
Hi. Womanjanka to Jarjarung Jandak, which means country, ancestral homelands of the Jara people. I've been out here probably about 2 years now, and it was not like this. It was all covered in what we call old man weed. So we make that as like a tonic. I make a balm out of it, and I've got one for you because I heard you're nice and sore.
Yeah.
So here's some bush medicine tea.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
These are finger lime. So our citrus fruits have a higher rate of vitamin C, and even like other bush tucker, they're higher in things that you wouldn't get in the supermarket or in a supplement. If you're connected to country, you respect all those things, and you don't be greedy. You don't rubbish. And I don't see it as my country, I see it as our country. So reconciliation, you're moving forward, but you're doing it together.
So guys, we're trying to start a fire.
I'm just the strike. It's a work in progress.
Oh my god, I think we started a fire. Slay.
Really good. Yeah.
No way! Eucalyptus, because the oil's in it, starts a fire. I think my highlight of today was definitely seeing you fall.
When we woke up and neither of us wanted to go into it, and I got straight in and fell in. It was just, I just knew it was going to be a long day. So the kayaking killed us today, but I think seeing Peter really late into the day really helped. That just before sunset, and we just finished kayaking here, and yeah, really happy. So this is a better day than others. Today's like the most homesick so far. We only have 1 or 2 days left to go, depending how fast we can make it down the creek. I'm hoping by like midday tomorrow, going off the maps all provided, we could make it.
For my phone, I haven't been reaching for it, but I have been missing it. I think just more for the like social contact with my friends and family. It's really weird not speaking to them. I'm honestly so glad I've done this experience and just seeing how much I am actually capable of. And I think a lot of people underestimated me, but I'm like, you know what, I can do all this. I can do all this with flying colours, and I'm so proud of myself. Definitely out farming country now. Toto, I don't even think we're in Kansas anymore. I have no idea where we are. I have no idea. I know I'm on Bendigo Creek River, but I have no idea where I am. For this part, I'm not using my oar. I'm actually just grabbing onto the grass. Oh, thank God there's no more trees. I'm so happy about that. I think today's gonna be a good day. And pulling. This is honestly so much fun. Spider.
We're going for a few hours. It's just so smooth. No logs like previously. Alright, go.
Another dead fish.
Yeah, scoop it up. Scoop it up a bit more.
Oh, it's moving.
Get that on video?
Yeah.
Where are we?
We started from here this morning and we're just actually over here. We need to go across over here to our next challenge. So I've got a question. Is there actually black sheep?
Black sheep.
Yeah, because you know Baba black sheep. Something.
You reckon we're going to be shearing? I reckon we are.
Or maybe going on the track.
There's just all I'm hearing is sheep.
My name's Kai. I'm Alice. I'm Jessie. Hello, lovely to meet you. We're marking lambs, which means, so first we've drafted all the lambs off from the ewes. Yeah, they get an ear tag, so every farmer's got their own ear tag, so that shows like where they're from and when you go to sell them and everything, like they can scan that.
This one's called Mary.
Yep.
So does the creek affect like the farming and what you're doing here?
When we had them floods a couple of years ago, we had probably 70% of the farm all went underwater, and
Wow.
it just looked like a big lake, like just so much of the farm, like just thousands of acres.
Yeah.
As long as you know it's coming, you can prepare, it's not too bad,
Yeah.
but it definitely, like just the amount of pastures and crops it destroys, it's just really sad, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Got some free water here.
I never want to see you do that ever again.
Back onto the creek.
Challenge done. So yeah, we're gonna head out onto the water. Hopefully it stays clear. It was raining earlier.
I'm a kayaking creek. I'm literally kayaking from Bendigo Creek River to Murray River. What are you guys doing? I am a kayaker now. I'm doing it. Look at me, look at my muscles. I've been doing this for 4 hours. I've been doing this for 4 hours. And look at me. So beautiful.
Where the water level sits when it really rains, really floods. You can see even all through these trees here off the bank, it comes up high. This whole place is underwater.
Just seeing those water markings is honestly insane, because that means all this farmland that's around us would have been underwater as well.
But it is beautiful to just drift along. This is the widest channel we've come across. Sometimes I wonder if I've watched too many horror movies, the way I just can picture this huge crocodile just coming out and snapping me in half, but it really does feel like that we're in a completely different location. But this isn't even Victoria anymore, honestly. Or maybe this is the Victoria that we've lost. This is how it should be.
That's so cool. I just saw a platypus. This beautiful river. I'm honestly, I'm lost for words.
Look at this big guy. Look at his neck. Absolutely tiny. It's right there. It's insane. There he goes.
These are the tomatoes that Peter was giving us yesterday.
Those ones were dried. These ones are It's starting to rain again. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to whip out a quick water test in case it gets too wet.
pH is looking like 6.
Jessie's just getting in behind me. We've had to shift up a bit. Drag our kayaks a good 30 minutes. We are so sore. This is awesome. Look at this. Ooh, green grass.
Hey guys, we just got off Bendigo Creek River.
Just put up the Terek NCR. We're just checking out this beautiful painting here on this wall. How awesome is it?
It's stunning.
What's this one here?
Isn't it the Plains Wanderer?
Do you reckon it's the scale?
It'd be a bit scary.
Literally, we have found a portal in the middle of nowhere. I think it's a construction worker's. I'm jumping in it. I didn't even care. This is freedom, this is love, this is life. Oh my God. Holy grail.
This is so beautiful though. Honestly, how lucky we are in Australia. Am I good to go? That was not me.
That's us into bed. I think we sort out some food.
Good night, guys.
Good night. That is day 4 done.
Had honestly a massive day.
No luck on the fishing, but I hope to do some first thing tomorrow morning. Didn't have any of my pegs for my tent, had no idea where they went, so I just decided to pull up my sleeping bag on the ground and I just laid on my back and just really took it all in. It was awesome. I would have seen at least 20, 15 shooting stars. Super, super cool. And I'm really excited. Not far to go at all. This one right here is going to be the one that catches the fish. I can feel it. Oh, I had something. Damn it, I had something for a second. Yeah, baby, come on!
Day 5. Kai just ran over to my tent yelling and screaming, saying he got a fish, and I'm so proud. But then the line snapped, so he lost points for that one.
So it floods here often?
Too often. Well, the first time it happened, the football club helped. But this time I ran out of people around and ended up with the army. But I need 400 bags, sandbags. And as you can see around each tree here this time, you can see over that there's a real black ring around the bottom of it.
Yeah.
And this time it did smell, the first time that I've ever smelt a flood, smell the way it did. And it left that big black ring, so.
I'm feeling done. I feel done. I feel defeated. I actually feel not too well. Kai is so happy and I'm trying to get on his level. And hopefully that brings me up for today.
Packing up our stuff because we're about to start moving. I'm feeling so good. I don't know why. I'm feeling so good.
I'm kind of sad now that it's starting to end.
Guy?
Yeah, I gotcha, yep. What's up?
So, is to give you instructions then at all what to do?
You alright, Jessie?
But if you get on there and you feel good, Jessie feels good, then you can just keep going up.
Yeah. Yeah, Jessie's not feeling well, but
Alright, I'm okay. Alright, let's go.
Yes, you see that branch? Pull it out onto the branch.
I probably just had an anxiety attack before we went into the water. I'm kind of struggling a little bit today, but I'll be fine. It's last day. I don't know what's gotten over me, but it's beautiful over here. There's so much wildlife.
So gorgeous. So many swans and different bird life around here. Absolutely amazing.
So we have the pelican from Finding Nemo right ahead of us. I think it's looking for fish. I've got to say though, I am so excited to see my mum, my boyfriend, my friends. Honestly, this trip has taught me so much about myself. Kayaking from Bendigo Creek River, from Kangaroo Flat, and we're nearly at the Murray.
I reckon we are moving into the Murray. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this to be done. But I'm also really enjoying the openness of being able to just take it in as well.
I can't believe we have made it to the Murray. So all that filthy water we saw at the start all ends up over here in the Murray. And the Murray is a very important source, I think, for our food. It's honestly crazy. Hello?
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah.
We're just figuring out where we are.
Oh,
I think we've lost a page or two of our map.
I think we have. Hey, don't push me! Don't push me! Do not push me.
Jessie's driving me crazy, and I think I'm driving her crazy. But that's what happens when you both got to support each other for 5 days straight.
Been pedaling for hours. I would have gone crazy if I did this by myself, so I'm actually really grateful for him.
I reckon we're nearing the end, and I think I'm really proud of that. My lowest point was definitely physically day 2 was like really tough. Dragging them kayaks, that was just awful. Like, I just wanted to crawl up in a ball. And I guess it was like really realizing how far we were already in. That isolation was something I really struggled with in the first few days, and now I'm like nervous to go back into my normal life. How are you feeling, Jessie? How have you gone with disconnecting from everything?
Hey MTV, welcome back to my channel. I didn't even realise how much I went through my phone and how much we use our phone on a daily, like Torchlight, Google Maps,
Music,
Facebook, music. It was kind of really tough. I think it was really tough just not having a social like connection with other people, just me and you. But honestly, like I can't think of anything worse now to go back on my phone. I've just got like uni, work. I'm actually like, can we just continue this on for 5 more days?
For all these days of hiking and kayaking and camping and being sleep deprived and stinking. My God, am I stinking. I cannot wait for a shower. Like, I don't think I can hug anybody except for Jessie, because like, you know, I don't think either of us care anymore.
I never thought I could say I enjoy kayaking. Never ever thought those words would leave my mouth.
We've been instructed to look out on the banks to see if anybody from the CMA is waiting for us. That's when we'll know that we've reached our final destination. It's starting to rain a bit harder here. I think it's really gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Hey guys, how's it going?
Oh my God, guys, we've made it. I'm gonna cry.
We finally. My God.
Hi!
So that's it, no more?
I'm so proud of her.
I'm so proud, yeah. Alright.
Proud of her. never, ever, ever thought I could say I've kayaked from Bendigo Creek River to the Murray River. And I'm so grateful for you, like all of you, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, North Central CMA. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna have a shower or sleep before I check my phone, I reckon.
I'm just like, I'm kind of dreading it because I've got so many problems there.
I do need to hand these back. I don't know who's.
That's fine.
Yeah, with the crack screen. Yeah, enjoy. Jessie. Big check. And a Kai, the big check.
Thank you so much.
I'm gonna hug you. I'm gonna hug you.
And I hope you've had an awesome time. Unplugged, getting out into nature, looking at Bendigo Creek and all that it's got to offer.
It's been an insane journey. I never thought I would ever do anything like this. So I'm so grateful.
I feel like my clothes are just about to like crawl off me and just like go back into the creek. You know?
I kind of want to go for a swim. I'm sweating.
I've fallen in enough. You have been very lucky.
I've been lucky.
Yeah, I think you bring it in. I think we've done well.